lot of against also already spoken in this, by the way.
You're gonna have a lot to
both of
write.
you, catch हुआ, catch drop हुआ, bold.
Hi, I'm Anusha.
Hey, I'm Akshay.
Hi, this is Amrita,
We love films.
We love talking.
and we love talking about films.
So welcome.
To the great.
Filmy Tamasha.
Drum roll. Hey guys, hope you're doing well.
Are the two of you ready?
Yes, yes, yes.
Have
Super
you
ready,
brought
super
Have
ready.
you brought your competitive spirit?
Yes, yes.
Ready,
Very excited.
excited.
We have gotten our research also. So
Have you brought your A game?
अभी पता चल ही
That is
जाएगा
by
देखो.
default.
Okay.
That is
The reason
default
why-
mode.
Reason why I'm asking this is the topic for today. As everybody knows, I won the last episode, so I got to pick the topic. And the topic is the best Hindi sports film. Okay? And Amrita is going to start this time. So, shall we have a go? Ready, Amrita?
Ready. Okay.
for
So, मेरी पिक्चर में कैप्टन रसल ने लगान वसूल किया हो या ना किया हो, आप लोगों का सारे दर्शकों का एक एक पैसा विद इंटरेस्ट वसूल हो गया होगा. That is the film. It's called Lagan. It's a milestone in Indian cinema. Produced by Aamir Khan because no one else would produce it. I mean, can you believe that? And directed by Ashutosh Gowarikar. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant film. Oscar nominated, and the list is endless. Moving on to Anusha.
My film is the best sports film, of course, according to me, and I'm sure according to a lot of people. But my film is also one of the best women empowering sports film I have ever seen. जिसने सब लौंडों को दिखा दिया कि लौंडिया क्या कर सकती है, right?
Not bad.
And
not bad,
it is
not
also
bad.
one of the
But-
very few mainstream Bollywood films addressing the national sport of a country. Yeah, so I'm sure you guys know which film I'm talking about, but still I'm going to say it's Chak De India!
Yay! Okay. So, competing from Team Akshay, released in 1992, the film which established sports as a genre which could be successful in Indian movies. The sports film which did not play safe in the selection of which sport, to base the film on. It did not choose cricket or hockey, which are popular with the masses. It did not choose boxing, which has been popular in the movies. It chose to be daring. The film which still remains the highlight in the careers of most of the people associated with the film. A classic underdog story which is iconic to its genre, its decade, and will remain evergreen in the history of Indian cinema. The only film selected today which has the most genre appropriate title ever, Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar. Starring Aamir Khan, Mamik, Aisha Julka, Deepak Tijori, directed by Mansoor Khan. And winner of Best Film at the Filmfare Awards at a time when the Filmfare Awards used to still make sense.
That one I
There's a
agree
lot
with.
of
Yeah.
against also already spoken in this, by the way. Anyways, now we are going to say why our film is the best choice. And Amrita is going to start.
Yes. So let's dive straight into it. Why is Lagan the top contender for the best sports film ever made in India? The number one reason is that it's a film like no other. It created an entire genre for itself. Like nobody believed. I remember when the trailer for the movie came out, and there were all these rumors flying around. कि इस फिल्म में लोग these rumors were out in case you guys remember. कि इस फिल्म में लोग क्रिकेट खेलते हैं अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ. I was like ये तो मजाक हो रहा है. थोड़ी ना फिल्म हो सकती है. But that's what it was. They chose a story which, if done poorly, would have made no sense at all. But this movie has executed that story so well that it's 100% believable. You can believe that this is the origin story of cricket in India. Right? So that is the reason. That is the reason for me why Lagan is the number one sports film of all time. It created an origin story for our best loved sport. like the best mishmash of cricket and movies possible. And Amir Khan ने इससे पहले भी cricket, I think he really enjoys the sport because he's done another film in which he's played cricket. Yes, but this time he got it right. Awal number. We're not talking about that one. But this time he got it right. This time he really made an Awal number film. And the thing with Lagan is that there are no flaws. चाहे उसका cast हो, probably the best ensemble cast in Indian cinema, the biggest and still the best. It's very difficult to achieve with a cast so mammoth and a cast so diverse, Indian and British. Like, I would want to congratulate the people who did the casting for this movie, right? Because it must have been a mammoth task. The casting is a huge credit to this film, of the English characters, of the Indian characters, such a diverse cast, and no actor is wasted. अगर उसको 2 मिनट भी दिए हैं तो they've made sure that the character remains with you. The last time I saw that happen was in Sholay. Very few films have truly achieved that, right? So that is the strength of Lagan. It's not an Amir Khan film. It is the movie of every single one of the characters. Then there is the music, right? We've forgotten the art. Indian cinema used to excel in that, but we've forgotten the art of making music that makes sense in the movie. But in film, every song makes sense in the movie. Every song is driving the movie forward. Every song has meaning. It's taking the story forward. So for me, these are my top 3 reasons for why Lagan is the best sports film ever. It takes our most loved sport, brings it into cinema in a brilliant manner. It has the best ensemble cast ever, and it has music which makes sense and takes the story forward.
Chak De is undoubtedly the best, one of the best performances of Shah Rukh Khan, who is my all-time favorite. So there's a big bias here, I'm telling you very clearly, but it is brilliant. The acting is brilliant and the movie is also brilliant. A disgraced hockey player trying to find his redemption by coaching women's hockey team to victory actually struck chords with, I think, the entire nation and outside our nation also. It had a huge connect. The emotional quotient of this film, I think, is brilliant. Like, every character is so emotionally driven, is having so many emotions inside them, which is shown throughout the film in a brilliant way, especially if you remember the last scene of the film, the last goal. The goal is hit and everybody is cheering, and unlike all the other coaches which you see, Shah Rukh Khan just sits down, looks at our national flag, and then tears in his eyes. Goosebumps. Like, it's one of the best Bollywood scenes I have ever seen. And one more major point about this film, I feel it's just not a film. You know, it is not just entertaining people, it actually reignited people's interest in hockey. Before that, it was not so much, but after this, it did that. And it was also eye-opener for a lot of people who thought that, you know, लड़कों के लिए स्पोर्ट्स है, लड़कियों का स्पोर्ट्स is not as important as लड़कों का sports, you know. So those things also happened because of this movie. So this movie is brilliant, it is emotional, it is trend setting, and it is also an eye opener. So yeah, that's my point. That's why it's trending.
Well done, man.
Lovely. Okay. So for starters, none of your films would have happened if my film had not happened.
That you never know. That you never know.
That you don't know.
My time is rolling. Every sports film was a flop. Okay? Awal number, Amir Khan's film was a flop. He made Jolita Bhai Sikandar. That's when he learned how to make Lagan. Alright, it's an iconic film in every sense of the way. It gets almost everything right. Most importantly, it gets sports right. It actually shows you what impact sports can have on a person's life. Amir Khan's character is shown to be a slacker in his academics, in his sports. He's useless, practically. He is the parasite of his house. But one incident changes his life, from where he becomes, from the parasite, he turns into the nurturer of the family. And as he's working his way through sports, as he decides to pursue sports, there comes the growth of his character. Now, it doesn't matter if he wins or not. The point is the change that sports brings in him. Sports in this film shows that sports are basically a leveler in society. You could be rich, you could be poor, you could be from any class. But on the sports field, you have to bring your A game and you are better than everybody else. Jo jeeta wahi Sikandar. They in fact even have a dance competition in the film to show that people can have different points of view on art. But on sports, you can't have different points of view. You win by an inch, you win by a mile. Winning is winning. And that is what my film proves to the best of its ability. The fun quotient of my film is extremely high. Repeat value is crazy. There's something in it for everybody. The journey of the characters is something that all of us have gone through. You know, everybody has felt this, that when they are in school. It's not actually a very big thing. It's a cycle tournament of a town in India. But that is a journey which all of us can relate to. The acting of the film is very good. It's on point. Whether it's Amir, it's Mamik, it's Aisha Julka, it's Kulbhushan Kharbanda as the villain, Deepak Tijori, the supporting cast. The training montages of the film are very original. Nothing was seen like that before in Hindi films. The music of the film, there are lots of songs, but they're all fun. They're all fun, and you're all through. You don't pass over the songs. You don't get up, walk, and go to the loo during the song. You sit there because the film is so engaging. Screenplay is very tight. Right from the beginning, there's a race. In the end, there's a race. It's established in the very first moment what this film is about. To the extent that they even have the title on the villain's face. On Deepak Tijori's face are the opening credits. Jo jeeta wahi Sikandar. Winning is all that matters. Music of the film is fantastic. Especially the background track during the cycle race in the last moment where Amir Khan overtakes Deepak Tijori. It gives me goosebumps to even talk about it.
Hi.
This is the most influential, most iconic and the best sports film ever.
Are you going to say something?
We'll see about that.
Yeah,
We'll see about that. We'll
Yeah,
see about
man.
that.
Let's see.
Bring it on!
Bring it up, baby.
Okay. Alright, so this is round 3 where we talk about why your movies are not as good as mine. And that's not going to be easy this time.
Yeah, man, totally.
It's not going to be easy because these are 3 path-breaking movies, milestones of Indian cinema. However, Lagan is a bigger milestone than the other 2, and I will prove why. So, Jo Jeeta Wohi Sikandar, no matter how much I enjoy this film and I love this film, the thing is कि it hasn't aged very well. मैंने अभी उसका रिविजन किया. अब ऑब्वियसली इस वीडियो से पहले इन सारी फिल्मों का रिविजन करना बनता था, एंड ये बाल की खाल निकालने वाली बात हो जाएगी बिकॉज अदरवाइज इट्स सच अ वेल डन मूवी. बट एज अ गर्ल यू कांट हेल्प but feel sad about how superficial, how ineffectual the female characters are. Right, like Pooja Bedi, the vamp, like she literally has nothing to do. Aisha Julka, just the kandha for Amir throughout the film, right? So, as a girl, even though it is the best coming of age story that we've done, really, we only started doing coming of age stories very recently with Ranbir Kapoor, right? But usse pehle tak, I guess our best coming of age story would be Laksh is Laksh is a gem again. But before that, we did not really do like a lot of coming of age stories, and especially those based on school kids. So this is a very special movie in that regard. But you cannot overlook its obvious flaws. You know, the portrayal of female characters is like really bad. I already gave you one. For me as a girl, the portrayal of female characters in that movie, like I really enjoy Amir Khan's character. I really enjoy that group of friends. But every time Aisha Julka or Pooja Bedi or all those girls which are fawning over Deepak Tijori's character, basically brainless twits कि जो सिर्फ पैसों के पीछे भागती हैं, that makes you cringe.
Gracie, तुम्हारे घर में ग्रेसी सिंह क्या कर रही है?
My point. I'm coming to mine, right? So when you come to yours, then you can talk about mine, right? No, but my film has Gracie Singh, and it also has like that that English. It also has Rachel Shelley. It also has Elizabeth. And Victorian times में अंग्रेज लड़कियों के लिए भी उतना ही मुश्किल था to have agency as it was for Indian women. But Elizabeth has agency. She is like she just tells her brother off and goes off to do her own thing. Right, against her country, right? She follows her heart against her country. So that is a very strong female character right there, right? Even Gracie Singh's character, the entire village is against Amir Khan, right? But she chooses to go to his house in the dead of night to tell him that I support you, I'm there for you, and I believe you. Of course, she's a kandha, right? This is not a women empowerment story in sports the way Chak De is, right? So she's not the one that we are rooting for, but the female characters in this movie have a lot more agency, and Elizabeth is actually a very empowering character when compared to Jojita Voi Sikandar. Right, so that is my major problem with Jojita Voi Sikandar. And then there is, let's come to Chak De. Chak De, again, so far as women empowerment is concerned, it's a brilliant film. ये सारी इन फिल्मों में बाल की खाल निकालने वाली चीज़ हो जाती है. These are such brilliant movies, right? What I don't like about Chak De is it does not let Shah Rukh remain Coach Kabir Khan. Right? आप अगर notice करोगे, my favorite films in Chak De of Shah Rukh Khan, of Shah Rukh Khan are the
He's
ones
not
where he's
done
not
it in
saying
that
much.
film.
उसके जो when you his scenes with Krishna ji, the scene that you said about the moment when he's crying or the moment when he's saying अगर मेरे खिलाफ लड़के वो सब एक team बन जाती है, the ones where he's not doing much are his best scenes. तो जब वो जबरदस्ती उसको फोर्स करते हैं बड़े बड़े डायलॉग मारने के लिए, right, where it's clearly not needed just to justify having Shah Rukh Khan in the film, right, वो फिल्म की वैल्यू कम ले जाता है. क्योंकि ये सारी इतनी बड़ी बड़ी फिल्में हैं, तो I'll tell the audience कि इनमें मीन मेक ऐसी ही निकलेंगी जो मीन मेक दूसरी फिल्मों में नहीं निकलेंगी, because all three are very good films. So इनमें मीन मेक ऐसी ही निकलने वाली है, नुक्ता चीनी वाली. ठीक है. So with Jojita Voi Sikandar, my biggest problem is the portrayal of female characters, and with Chak De India, my biggest problem is they don't let Shah Rukh. He's doing such a brilliant job as Coach Kabir Khan. रहने दो ना उसको Kabir Khan. क्यों बना रहे हो उसको बीच में Shah Rukh Khan? नहीं ज़रूरत है. And about Lagan, none of those two problems, plus such a mammoth scale film. Like उतनी बड़ी फिल्म, उतनी सारी चीज़ें एक साथ करना. Even Sanjay Leela Bhansali had not ventured into magnum opus cinema before this. उनकी हम दिल दे चुके सनम आई थी, which was grand, but it was not magnum. It was not so many people and crews and troops. The way it's almost like Lagan brought in that kind of cinema and showed us that we can do this right. Right? It took us to the Oscars. It took us to the global cinema. It basically Ashutosh Gowarikar ko wo belief to go ahead and make Danjoda Akbar and make some movies which have not done as well as Lagan, but to give the film industry that kind of self-belief that we can make a film which is so Indian and it will still go to the Oscars. It will be a full-on masala movie, but it will still be so intelligent. Nothing is overdone. मतलब वो जैसे खाने में नमक चीनी मसाला सब बराबर होना चाहिए ना, वैसे इस फिल्म में सब बराबर है. मसाला बराबर है, गाने बराबर हैं, डायलॉग बाजी बराबर है और हर किरदार को अपना स्पेस मिला. And that's how I rest my case for why Lagan is the best sports movie.
Okay.
That's my case.
So now I am going to say why Chak De is a better sports film than Lagan and Jojita Wahi Sikandar. It's a very tough choice. It's a very tough thing to do, as Amrita already said. I love all the films, but I am going to debate why Chak De is better. So one main thing I feel, see, dialogues तो तीनों फिल्म में कमाल का है, but there are few dialogues in Chak De, like the 70-minute वाला dialogue. Many people might feel it's cliched, it's over dramatic, whatever, but still people use it like in their everyday lives to get some motivation. It is like one of the most iconic dialogues which actually people use during sports also, ki let's get motivated. And the song, the title song, this I'm talking with respect to both the films now. Both the film, the song, the title track of Chak De India, which is Chak De India, that became like a sports anthem of the nation. And there is no such song in Lagan or Jojita Wahi Sikandar. We are talking about sports here. So that never fails to inspire you to go, never fails to motivate you. That is the title track of Chak De India. Beautiful songs in Lagan. Not so beautiful as Lagan in Jojita Wahi Sikandar, but when we are talking about sports, the inspiration, the motivation we need is by this dialogue and this song, which I did not find in the other two films. And one more biggest thing I have with these two movies is that I don't feel it is technically a sports film. You know, when we talk about sports film, like take Chak De, the main passion, the drive of all the characters is to win a sport. But when you take Lagan, is to have a better life by winning a sport, to evade Lagan. In Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar, it's to, you know, improve your college status. But in Chak De, the main intention is to win the match, win hockey, put hockey back on the map as a glorious, victorious sport, which is not there in Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar or Lagan. Because people here, it's not like they're passionate about cycling or cricket. They want to win it for something better, something bigger. Here, they all are passionate about hockey. So they want to win hockey. They want to show that hockey is a great team, sports to play. You know, you cannot take hockey out of their lives. In these two films, you can take the sport out of their lives. You can put any sport. You know, so when you're talking about a sport film, it can be cycling, it can be swimming, it can be cricket, it can be, again, hockey. The passion is not towards the sport. The passion is towards something you will achieve after winning the sport. So you're talking about a sports film. So as sports film, each and everything happening in Chak De India is sports oriented. And one more problem nahi keh sakte, because I have to point out about Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar. So when we talk about sports, we would like to see team building. You know, like unity in diversity, how the team is formed, how they all come together, how they all decide to play together, how they all cooperate with each other, or their politics, whatever. But that is something which is completely not there in Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar, because it's an individual sport. ठीक है, individual sports भी sport ही है. But as an audience, the kind of connect you have to a group sport like cricket or hockey is way more than a connect to an individual sport. So since again I'm stressing on it, since we're talking about sports film, I think these points make Chak De India a better sports film than Lagan and Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar.
Okay.
That's
Alright.
my
You
case.
done? Okay.
That was good.
Okay. So I would suggest you guys pick up your pens for this one. You could have a lot to write.
Both of you are frozen.
Okay, let's go. Okay, my points for anti-Lagan. Alright. Lagan is not a sports film. It's a socio-political drama with patriotism and cricket thrown in, essentially to highlight the farmer issues which are very relevant in India even today. So the sports aspect is mostly an ego tussle. Okay, I mean, Captain Russell might as well have told Bhuvan ki boss, tu 10 दिन के लिए खाना मत खा, मैं लगान माफ करूँगा, तिगुना लगान माफ करिएगा. You know, he might as well say that. He didn't have to be a man.
That's exactly my point.
The plot itself is very unrealistic. Imagine Maharashtra government telling central government की boss, हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि अगर हम लोग क्रिकेट मैच खेलेंगे बाई के फार्मर्स के साथ, एंड अगर वो जीत गए तो हम लोग टैक्स उनसे नहीं लेंगे, तो आपको टैक्स नहीं दे सकते. It's never going to play out. It's a fantasy. You have the stock archaic village characters in your film. You know, there's one Darpok Mukhia, there's A.K. Hangal from Sholay, itna sannata kyun hai bhai? There's one token Muslim family, only one Dalit in the entire village. Where are the rest? Your universe is incomplete. Your film wouldn't have been made if Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar
That
was
is
not
your
made, especially
theory.
because Amir Khan
that is your theory.
got all the
But somebody else would have brought it, no?
Ashutosh Gowarikar has not done any sports film. Amir Khan has done 2 sports films before, and Amir Khan is
The
produced this
story
film.
was Ashutosh Gowarikar's story.
But
And
the execution is
Amir Khan-
important. Execution is important, and you argue
He
with
is
me.
the
Argue
director.
this
It
with me
was
later.
Ashutosh Gowarikar's
Argue this with me
execution.
later.
Yeah, we'll argue later.
Sure.
Your film has too many songs that slow the pace and make it really long. Because of which your film does not have the repeat value. You can't just sit कि चलो आज क्या कर रहे हैं, टाइम पास के लिए लगान देखेंगे. नहीं, अरे आज हम टेस्ट मैच देखने वाले थे, लेकिन बारिश हो गई तो हम टेस्ट मैच नहीं देख सकते, तो हम लगान देखते हैं क्योंकि 5 घंटे फ्री है हमारे पास. Your film has got a very major factual error. Very major factual error. 6 balls in an over at a time where there used to be 8 balls in an over for a film which researches everything. And this is a very important point because Amir Khan's character in the end has only one ball to score those runs.
Yeah, I know, and goes no ball. So yeah.
Exactly. You have a very unlikable and selfish protagonist in Bhuvan, who suddenly becomes all fair and equality when he needs Kachara to be a bowler. इतने साल से वो कहाँ था? तब दलित राइट्स के लिए उठा नहीं वो. Okay.
Again, drawing a lot of conclusions.
There is a lack of authenticity and consistency in Lagan. The dialogues are mostly Awadhi, but the songs are tending towards Marwadi in their language, makes your film less authentic. There is no character arc for the protagonist. Basically, your film is very difficult because Bhuvan is Bhuvan from beginning to the end. Your film is very difficult to relate to in general because none of us have been in that circumstances. We like the film, we appreciate the film for what it is, but we can never put ourselves there. So we'll never feel that it's so close to us. It's not our story. Anti-Chak De, same, not relatable enough. We are facing, I mean, it is India facing the entire world, which is a great thing. We can appreciate it. But not all of us get an opportunity to do that. But all of us in our own little way get an opportunity to fight our own small races, our own small fights in school, in college, where we actually feel like the protagonist of Jojita Vai Se Kande. Chak De is a story of champs being trained by a champion. The odds are not really very bad against the girls' team. They are all such good players. They all have a fantastic coach. You know, in Lagan also the odds are actually against them because they don't know the sport, but they still claim to know. Bhuvan is actually a sports person. He knows how to play gilli danda. He mentions it that he is the best gilli danda player in the village.
Yeah, ऐसे ही होता है ना क्रिकेट. अगर तुम कैरम बहुत अच्छा खेल सकते हो तो चेस में तुम
That is the reason why Captain Russell actually starts the match. Acha, oh, you can play gilli danda, so you think you can play cricket too? That's how it starts. If you pay attention.
So that was a fallacy, right? He was not right in assuming he could play cricket.
But he did.
You tell na anti-Chak De.
Okay, and anti-Chak De, nationalism takes priority over the spirit of sports in your film. There's nothing wrong in that. It is great. But your film is more geared towards a person's pride for their country, a person's hurt, a person's pain from being rejected by the country despite doing their best. It is not so much about what sports is doing for the country. It's what the person is trying to do for himself. It is manipulative actually on a script level. You know, it's a true story. Do you know Chak De is a true story?
It is apparently not. I checked it. It is
It
based
is
slightly on
inspired.
the.
It's not.
Yeah.
It's inspired. from something.
It is. A Hindu has been turned into a Muslim. A boys' team has been turned into a girls'
Okay, it's like
team.
loosely
These are the
based,
two
but
things
it's
that
not
have been-
based on real story.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
it's
not
a documentary
on
based on real
It's
story.
very loosely inspired.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, but Mr. Negi was a consultant on the film, so it is his life
He is a
story.
consultant. No.
Okay?
He says it. He says it. It's not his life story.
Baba,
He says
that's
that
what
clearly. Negi
it
himself
is an
says that.
article on him on the basis of which they have written the film. That's what I'm telling you.
Yeah,
and they
it's
have
basis.
They have changed a Hindu to a Muslim to incite communal feelings where we actually feel what Muslims must be feeling in the country. They have changed boys to girls to make them more underdogs, which are actually manipulative things. Very standard team members, you know, there's no originality in the team members. There is the hothead Punjaban who will dash up everybody. There is the locker room bully. There is the newcomer. There is the favorite of the coach, the chamcha. There is no newness in the players. It is more like a docudrama, you know, I'm watching some hockey with some behind the scenes footage. That is what Chak De is. With that, I rest my case.
Okay, first
I mean,
I'll
there's so much
tell
more of the
you
case.
my point about this is okay कि your film is more relatable क्योंकि ये सब लोग players है जिसको एक अच्छे players है जिसको अच्छे player ने coach किया है fine. At least it's something to do with sports. तुम्हारा is about an underdog coming out and saying कि oh I'll cycle and win victory to my college. You know, it's not even
Cycling is a
sports.
sport. He
It
trains.
could have been anything. It could have been anything.
But it could have been.
It could have been Olympiad. It could have been a science Olympiad.
It could have only been a sport.
Uh-huh.
It could not have
No,
imagine-
It could have been a science
they-
Olympiad.
They show him participating in a dance competition
Yeah,
where he's very
he
good,
trained.
but he
Everybody
loses
is
because of
trained.
people's biases.
Even in Chak De, girls train. They are not established.
In a maths Olympiad, in a science Olympiad, in any Olympiad, in any academics, hundreds of people can get 100 or 100. But in sports, only one person comes first.
Yeah, but it
That
is
is what this
mostly
film is
underdog.
about.
See, the passion is not towards the sport per se, as I already said. Ki it might be relatable.
Your film's passion is towards Kabir Khan's feelings.
No, it is towards the sport. The girls doesn't come into the picture saying कि आगे कबीर खान coach कर रहे हैं. They did not even like him. They are passionate about the sport. They are not all good. They are being trained to become
Yeah.
better. They did not come as Sachin Tendulkar into hockey.
Lagan and Chak De are two separate extremes of fantasy situations. Whereas Jojita Wai Sikandar is the only relatable sports film.
Okay, I am going to butt in here.
Please.
So your biggest point is that that Jo Jeeta Wohi Sikandar is somehow relatable. Just
Yeah,
era
very
में ये
relatable.
film based है. Just
Very
era में ये
relatable.
film based है. Like when is it? 87,
Sorry,
88. When was this?
What, Ray?
When was
What,
Lagan? Lagan. Sorry, Jo Jeeta Wohi Sikandar was 91 or 92. When was?
It's based in 1990, but it's released in 92.
Exactly. 92 में पूरे इंडिया में कौन सा ऐसा स्कूल है, कौन सा ऐसा स्कूल है जहाँ की लड़कियों को इस तरीके से अपने दोस्तों के साथ घूमने दिया जाता था?
As a sports film, it is not there. Where I mean, I still can say कि Lagan and Chak De are better
No,
at
and it's not even
showcasing sports and team building. Talking
It's-
about sports,
and-
कितनी बार cycling का mention हुआ है उसमें? There is love story
हाँ.
and the song
And
you
I'm sure it's
remember
totally
about
it.
Jo Jeeta
No,
Wahi
the
Sikandar.
whole film is about.
No,
the
no,
whole
no, no,
film
no,
is
no,
about
no,
cycling.
not at all.
It's not.
No, it's not.
There
It's
is
not
love
at all.
story,
And
there is-
you're
It starts with
absolutely
cycling.
right.
It starts with cycling,
No,
it
okay.
ends with cycling, but then there's this guy
Yeah.
who's trying to impress that
बीच में
girl
कुछ भी
by
नहीं.
stealing
Because
cars.
there is a journey. There's a journey. There's a journey of
No,
the
there is a
character.
journey in other
There's
films
journey,
also. There's a
but
journey in
what
Lagan. There's a
Bhuvan's
journey.
What is Bhuvan's journey?
Bhuvan's
What
journey
is
is that.
Bhuvan's character arc? Where
Bhuvan's
does he
character
start?
arc is that people finally come to realize that this guy actually wants to do what's the best for the village.
That is
To
other
me,
people's character arc. What is Bhuvan's character arc?
The Bhuvan's character arc is convincing them of not being victims. Victim
they
to
have no-
leader is his character arc. That is the biggest character
he
arc you
starts
can
out
ask
as that. He
for.
starts out as that. He's from the
Yeah.
beginning of the film. He's a rebel leader.
Go-
He's not.
No,
he's
in the beginning,
very
he's
first,
a victim.
his very first his scene is he's trying to save the Hiran from.
Yeah, he's trying to
Captain
save the
America.
Hiran, but he's not
Exactly,
successful. They clearly
the
show
point
who
is
is
that
the
is what he's
leader
doing.
there. Yeah.
That is exactly, but that is what he's doing. So that's what I'm saying. He's not grown. He is there.
Oh,
But it
He's
is more of
he's
a sports
learned to
film.
create-
Everything is revolving around the sport. It's about cricket. It is about it is more. I still feel it is a period drama जिसकी story में क्रिकेट को इन्वॉल्व किया गया है to make it more interesting.
Which is what
because
I said.
yeah
Exactly.
I agree to that. I to feel both of your movies are technically not sport film, but Lagan has more sport references, more team building scenes, more interactions when compared to Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar.
actually, Jo
That is
Jeeta Wohi
because-
Sikandar. The moment you mentioned sports film and you picked Jo Jeeta Wohi Sikandar, the first thing that came into my mind is Jo Jeeta Wohi Sikandar is not a sports film.
It is like you can
It's
say
a cycling
coming of
film.
age.
It was cycling.
All these things.
No.
Since
I
we
watched
have
it. I watch it quite often enough to know that Jo Jeeta Wohi Sikandar is not a sports film.
See, यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है कि
Cycling is
लीड
not
जा
the
रहा
core
है
of the
किसी
film.
लड़की को इम्प्रेस करने की कोशिश कर रहा है देन सडनली टिल हिज ब्रदर मीट्स विद एन एक्सीडेंट ऐसा कोई साइकिलिंग
हाँ, तो
टूर्नामेंट
उसको कोई
में नहीं
फर्क
हो रहा है ना
नहीं पड़ा।
सडनली ही फील्स
No,
कि
but the undercurrent of the entire film is the cycling tournament that is building up to.
no it's not
No,
a
it's the
cycling
undercurrent
tournament it
only.
had to be
It's the
something
that is
to
the other thing
showcase
about. Everybody else exists.
See,
Over
the same
there,
way you
for
said,
the-
the same way you said कि
Sorry?
लगान में the same way you said कि लगान में he could have gone for a 10-day भूख हड़ताल to माफ करो 3 गुना लगान. वैसे ही जो जीता वही सिकंदर में he could have won a science Olympiad to bring glory to the girl. It did not have to be
So
cycling
here's the
at
thing.
all.
Here's the thing.
Okay.
But I already addressed the science Olympiad.
हाँ तुमने
point.
बोला कि
I'm
दोनों
not
को
disputing.
100 मिल सकता है बट देन दे हैव अ कंपटीशन अगेन टिल one person
It
wins
is, it's never ending. That
It's
is
never ending. So
Sports
yeah,
are
how-
different.
स्पोर्ट्स में भी टाई
Sports
होता
are
है यार
different.
Obviously, it's never ending. I feel that Chak De is very, very close to being the best sports film, which I do not feel about Jo Jeeta Wohi Sikandar, by the way.
Okay.
I think Lagan is the best sports film because it created an origin story for the most beloved sports of the country, which did not even exist. And you're right. Akshay made a point कि इतनी unrealistic story you can't relate to it at all. ये अलग बात है कि Jo Jeeta Wohi Sikandar की story भी बिल्कुल ही unrealistic and you can't relate to it at all. But ठीक है 20 दिन में
Beg to
वो
differ.
बन गया साइकिलिंग चैंपियन बट दैट्स ओके ठीक है फाइन
Genetics उसके बॉडी में.
Oh my God.
उसके
So
खून
much.
में है
Okay.
his father his brother उसके खून में था उसको बस एक
Exactly.
हफ्ता साइकिल चलाने की जरूरत थी you know
Exactly,
so
exactly.
साइकिलिंग ऐसे भी इतना आसान स्पोर्ट है you know so
that I'm not saying that I'm not saying
no but that's how unrealistic Jo Jeeta Wohi Sikandar ka story was despite the fact
Yeah.
that I love that story okay
Like Lagan. कि गिल्ली डंडा और क्रिकेट एक ही खेल है।
नहीं वो तुम बोल रहे हो, वो नहीं बोल रहे, वो तुम बोल रहे हो, तुम कह रहे हो कि
वो भुवन
भुवन।
बोलता है, वो भुवन बोलता
अरे
है।
अरे तो वो गलत बोलता है ना, वो तो फिल्म में दिखा भी दिया है, तुमने सुना कैसे नहीं, इज माय पॉइंट, राइट? फिल्म में तो दिखा दिया है कि वो गलत बोल रहा है, राइट? द फैक्ट दैट यू आर सेइंग इट्स एन अनरियलिस्टिक स्टोरी इज इट्स बिगेस्ट स्ट्रेंथ, बिकॉज आई कीप ऑन सेइंग कि स्टोरी से फर्क नहीं पड़ता, उसके एग्जीक्यूशन से फर्क पड़ता है। टू टेक सच एन अनरियलिस्टिक premise and to make such a fantastic cinema out of it, something that a lot of people can learn from. Jo Jeeta Sikandar could have done it a lot better, but did not. Khair, Amir Khan learned, as you said, and did it in
He did a
Lagan.
fantastic.
Okay,
The Joita
guys.
Sikandar is the most entertaining film.
That I agree.
Okay, you can watch it
I
at any
agree.
point of
Both
time.
are
Any number of
brilliantly
times.
entertaining.
It is an
Okay.
entertaining
But
film,
since-
but it is not the best sports.
This is not the best sports film.
It is an entertaining.
Since you're
Okay,
not the
we're
best
never
sports
gonna
film.
agree.
We are never gonna agree. Anyways, after this
I will. So Anusha,
passionate
so-
debate, I think we should come to an end and say.
Okay,
what
let's
we
try
think.
to. Let's try to vote.
Let's
Okay,
try
so
to.
Amrita, I think you have to.
Yeah, you have to start.
Yeah, Amrita.
I will vote. Okay, so my favorite sports film, apart from Lagan, it's a very easy choice actually, is Chak De India. Right? Jo Jeeta Wohi Sikandar is a really good film. But it's not like, I don't even think it should be in the sports film wala category. But it's a great coming of age story. It's the best teenager film that we've ever made. उसके बाद बनाई नहीं हमने, पता नहीं क्यों, but it's not the best sports film. Also, I think Anusha had brilliant arguments today. Like I was really wondering उसके arguments का मैं क्या जवाब दूँ. तो I think yeah. Anusha takes this one home. Anusha takes this one home.
Yay!
So yeah.
Okay.
Okay, it's
Anu, put
time
it.
for me to vote. Yeah, man.
Anu, cornetto. Mango
This
Dolly.
time no. Sorry. I genuinely feel as a sports film, Lagan has more elements of sports, and even Amrita
Hey,
defended
you
it.
guys have to go for arguments.
Yeah,
Not
that's
my
what.
favorite film.
एक वो है, and उसने जो defend भी किया अपने movie को, the points were more, what to say, more valid for me.
Valid.
Yeah, more valid for me.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I would vote for Amrita for her arguments. for Lagan.
Okay. So this time, the who's offering me what in bribe? Who wants to?
अक्षय मैं खाना बना के खिलाऊंगी तुमको, अच्छे इतना सब कुछ सीख के आऊंगी वहाँ
खाना तो
पे.
मैं खुद बना सकता
Yeah,
हूँ.
but all nice
नहीं,
dosa,
not as
masala
good as
dosas, you know,
नहीं.
like all delicacies.
Okay,
Yeah.
Just give me 10 seconds. In my head, let me quickly
He
go
makes
over your
better
argument.
mug cakes, you make better everything else.
Yeah, I'm a very good
Let me just
cook.
go over stuff. Actually, this was a very difficult episode.
Yeah, it
I
was. It
know.
was.
My God, John.
We are
Yeah.
waiting with bated
Yeah.
breath, Akshay. Come on.
I think Anusha's arguments were more precise and more to the point. Anusha gets my vote.
Yes. This time I'm not even going to be a sore loser because it was very difficult to defend against Chak De India in the sports film
Arey, it was
category.
So difficult to fight against any of these
Same
films.
here.
And you know, I was so surprised. None of us chose any biopics. We didn't choose Dhoni. We didn't choose Milkha. We didn't choose Mary Kom.
Because this is
Like,
our
so many
favorites,
sports
no.
films in India.
According to
Yeah,
our
actually
biggest
I
area.
thought about, I genuinely thought about Mary Kom, right? But then it came down to कि जब मैंने वो फिल्म देखी थी तो मुझे कैसा
Same here.
राइट और या एंड लगान में जो मुझे वो फीलिंग ऑफ वंडर आया था ना कि हाँ हमने ऐसी पिक्चर बना कैसे ली. आई थिंक द ओनली स्पोर्ट्स फिल्म दैट केम क्लोज वाज दैट चक दे इंडिया की इट हैड सो मेनी मोमेंट्स इट वाज
I actually still don't think Lagan is a sports film.
I don't
think
think
Samir is a
both
fantastic-
Lagan and anyways वो तो
Yeah,
हजार
yeah.
बार हो चुके
Even
हैं.
Lagan is not a sports film.
It's a crazy.
It's a
film.
brilliant
To
film.
Imagine that.
अगर तुम-
Try to imagine कि वो ऐसा हो जाए.
हाँ.
You know.
If you say best period
Yeah,
drama,
it's
then I think it's one of the unbeatable films.
Yeah,
but as sports में मुझको problem है.
I think for myself it's definitely more of a sports film than Jo Jeeta Wohi Sikandar because उसका जो match वाला portion है that is like watching an actual cricket match.
It is,
with all
yeah,
the
pretty
highs
much,
and
yeah.
lows of a
Some
cricket
highlights-
match.
You're seeing highlights of a 3-day test.
catch हुआ,
Yeah.
catch drop हुआ,
Yeah.
bowled हुआ, like it was watching an
By the
India
way,
versus England का cricket match.
Okay.
Okay, so
So I won and I get to choose the next topic.
Yay.
Woo, 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 woo. So guys, you also watch the video and let us know which team you are on. We had a very heated argument
Yes.
this time, and we would really like to know audience view
Yeah.
also. I am sure there are a lot of
Yeah.
people who think differently than us. Please let us know. We would really like to read the comments. And
Vote
Yeah,
for Team Akshay.
yeah. No, not this time.
okay, vote for me. Vote for me.
Sam, if you're listening, you're my favorite person. Please come to YouTube and vote for Akshay.
Okay, so like, comment, subscribe, share.
Yes, please
I
do.
wanted to say one more thing, that if anybody has any
Bol.
suggestions for any, or like if anybody wants us to cover any particular kind of topic in our format,
Yes.
please mention it, please comment it, and we are more than interested to go through those.
Yes,
also, right?
yes.
Yeah.
We love your feedback. We want to get better all the time, of course. So you can just drop your feedback in the comments, and yeah. And we'll
See you.
implement it.
Stay strong. Stay safe. Have fun.
Yeah, stay safe, stay happy. Yeah,
See you
we'll see
next
you
week.
in the next one, which Anusha will decide. So yeah.
Yay.